Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a homemade masala chai or masala tea. So delicious and nutritious and easy to make. Stay with me to see all the steps. Look to this nice color. Now the masala chai is boiling here. And I will show you how to make the mixture for this tea. Save it on a container or a glass jar and you can use it to make your tea or chai whenever you like. For the masala chai powder, we will use these ingredients. You can buy it like that. This brand name don't have sugar. When I buy it, I buy the one that have only the spices on it, but not no added sugar. But also you can make it home. I'll show you how to make it. I have a quarter cup of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cloves. You can use the seeds like that, the whole, or you can use the powder. I have 1 tablespoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. That's all the ingredients. The fresh ginger, you use it whenever you want, make it fresh. All these ingredients, I will blend them all together. That's 6 ingredients. Then you can put it on a glass jar and save it whenever you want to make your chai or masala chai. You take a tablespoon and you make your tea. Blend everything together. Don't blend it like too much, like it's blended, but it will not have to be like very like fine powder. That's it. It's quick to blend. It doesn't take that much time. That's the texture. That's how we should be. You have to smell this aroma right now. When you blend your spices fresh, the aroma on this mixture is really good. That's a masala, the mixture of all the spices to make tea. Because the word chai, that means tea. You cannot say I'm making a chai tea. Like if you're making a tea, it's chai, that tea. The masala is the mixture of these spices that you make your chai with it. That's the mixture. You save it on this glass container. And whenever I want to make my tea, I take a spoon. For the tea now, I have here some water, boiling water. I add a piece of fresh ginger to it and a small spoon of the mixture, the masala chai. And also after a few minutes, I add the black tea. That's black tea bags. I open them and I put them there. I put 4 of them. Depend how strong you like your tea. You use more or less of the masala chai, and also for the black tea. The black tea you can buy it powder, and also you can buy it on tea bags and put the tea bags right there. After it boiled for a few minutes, you can add any milk you prefer, whole milk or any other kind of milk. For me, I like to add the evaporated milk. I like that the taste of the evaporated milk. That's it. You leave it in a boil for a few minutes. You keep mixing it, and after this, it will be done. It will be ready to serve. Believe me, when you make it fresh like that, it makes a big difference on the taste than the one that you buy from the stores. For me, I don't add sugar to my tea. For the people that like it sweet, they can add the sweetener that they prefer. Before that you serve it, you strain it and you serve it hot with any kind of sweets you like or you enjoy it like that. It's a good drink for when the weather start getting cold. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video and your recipe, and enjoy.